Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's Matt Machine, and today we're diving into a brand new roller coaster at Universal Orlando's Epic Universe, Curse of the Werewolf. Now before we get into it, if you're a thrill ride junkie, a theme park lover, or just enjoy nerding out over roller coasters like me, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment below with your thoughts on this ride. I want to hear what you think of this furry little beast. Curse of the Werewolf is tucked inside the Dark Universe land at Epic Universe, and from the outside, it looks pretty mysterious. You've got spooky vibes, twisted trees, and an eerie tone that really sells the Cursed Forest theme. It's manufactured by Mack Rides, the same company behind some legendary coasters like Copperhead Strike and Time Traveler. And it features a swing launch, which I'll get into later because that's my favorite part. So let's talk about the ride itself. This coaster is short. You're in and out in just about 40 seconds after the launch section. And if you're looking for big airtime, extreme speed, or upside down insanity, this isn't it. But here's the thing, it's not meant to be that. I truly believe Curse of the Werewolf is designed for a specific audience. 1. Guests who are too intimidated by Stardust Racers, which is the park's high-speed, high-thrill dueling coaster. 2. And guests who want something more thrilling than Minecart Madness, which is more of a family dark ride with gentle coaster elements. This ride fills that middle ground perfectly. Now let's talk about the highlight, that swing launch. You launch forward a little, then backward, then blast through into the main course. It's such a fun, dynamic moment, and even though the rest of the layout doesn't have huge elements, that launch gives you a big burst of excitement and sets the tone. I really hope Mack Rides brings more of this kind of energy to Florida, but in a bigger package. I'd love to see their extreme spinning coaster model, like Ride to Happiness, come to a Florida park. Imagine that insane spinning action with inversions and airtime right here in the Sunshine State. So to sum it all up, Curse of the Werewolf is not a top-tier thrill machine, but it is fun, accessible, and themed beautifully. It's the perfect stepping stone coaster for guests, building up their thrill tolerance. And that swing launch alone makes it worth a ride or two. Would I marathon this all day? Probably not. Would I recommend it to first-timers, younger thrill seekers, or anyone who doesn't want to commit to something as intense as Stardust Racers? Absolutely. All right, now it's your turn. Have you ridden Curse of the Werewolf yet? Do you think it's too tame, just right, or better than I'm giving it credit for? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to like the video. It helps more theme park fans find us. And of course, subscribe to Matt Machine for more roller coaster reviews, theme park vlogs, and everything in between. Thanks for watching, everyone, and remember, whether you're racing the stars, dodging a minecart, or howling at the moon, there's always a thrill waiting around the corner. See you in the next video. Peace. 2 thumbs up.